Cassidy AI tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cassidy AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Cassidy AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Cassidy AI, it is an AI-powered workflow automation platform that helps businesses to build intelligent AI agent and automated workflow using their own company data. And also the platform connects with internal knowledge sources such as documents, wikis, CRM systems, meeting transcript, and collaboration tools, allowing AI agents to understand an organization's specific processes, terminology, and brand voice. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or alternatively click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. Or alternatively, you can click the pricing option to see some of the plan that they offer. Upon clicking the pricing option, you should be able to see here some of the plan that they offer, and that includes, depending on your preferences, we have here the starter plan and the business plan, with its corresponding features including on each plan. But in here, I'm going to click Start Free Trial button to proceed, and I'm going to simply click Continue with Google upon signing up. Upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed in here, where all you need to do is simply answer all of the question, including your first name, last name, your organization name, and answer the question, how did you hear about Cassidy? And click the Continue button to proceed. Once done, the next thing that you need to do in here is to simply fill out some other requirements, and that includes to enter here your company website, as you can see. And aside from this, you also need to enter the company size and even the department. Then proceed by clicking the Continue button in here to sync our data, but you could also upload a file or even add your own Google Drive link in here that will serve as a source documents. And aside from that, you could even invite your own team. All you need to do is simply click or enter here their email address to do so. But I'm just going to simply skip this part. And now from here, you could also upload here a file as your first AI agent is ready. After that, we can now click Start Automating in here. By doing so, we'll now start beginning or creating here our own AI agent, or alternatively, simply type the message in here to test what it looks like. You could also navigate on the left side panel some of the options, including the agents, the workflow, knowledge base, meetings, new chat, and many more. By clicking the plus button right here, you have an option to choose to attach an image or upload a file, or basically, you could even choose the tools in here in creating or simply navigating the feature. And also the agents in here, we have here GPT 5.4, Claude, and many more. And aside from this, from the knowledge base, it will show you in here that you can add your own knowledge base by entering the website. Or for the meetings, you need to have an upgrade account or upgrade access in order to navigate this kind of feature. Now on the left side panel, if you click the workflows option in here, it will show you some of the process that you can start creating a workflow. In which, using this feature, it allows users to create automated, multi-step processes that combine AI capabilities with business application and data sources. You have here also an option to choose a different kind of templates, different kind of departments, sales, marketing, business development, operations, and it will show you on the right side panel the kind of template to use right here. Alternatively, you can also navigate this knowledge base, and by clicking the add button, you can add a folder, a blank document, import a website, and even sync from Google Drive, sync from OneDrive, sync from Gong, and many other options in here to choose from. While the meetings option in here on the left side panel, which can be navigated only using the Pro account or upgrade account. This is designed to help teams capture, organize, and extract value from meeting conversation using AI. Moving on, under the option in here of your profile, you can navigate this install extension where you can install Chrome extension, Edge extension, Word, and many more of Cassidy. So now that we know some other kind of options to navigate, such as these agents to choose from in here, and any other option, we can now go back to our homepage and start creating a new agent by clicking the plus button in here. Alternatively, go back to our chat and start entering here the message or simply testing the capabilities of this AI. I'm going to choose the tools, which is web search for the example, and also type entering here. For example, I'm going to ask a question to define the cyber intelligence and its type. Upon saving or simply sending this, it will automatically show you that the AI that has been used or the model is now thinking the answer to it. It will show in here that it is a quick response and it will show you everything that we need to know in here. You could also choose a different kind of model if you want to, and many more. You can simply copy this result or this response by AI. So this is basically the idea of creating the AI model. However, in here, the knowledge base that we're going to simply upload is from our computer files, in which it will only serve as the knowledge or sources in here. By clicking upload, for example, upload document, just simply choose either kind of document that will serve in your knowledge base as the sources. So basically, this serves as a centralized repository where organization can store and organize information that the AI agent can access and use. It also allows user to upload and connect various data sources, including PDFs, spreadsheet, meeting transcript, company policies, standard operating procedure, and many more. And by simply consolidating the company knowledge into one accessible location, the platform enables AI agent to provide more accurate context-aware responses based on organization-specific information, rather than relying solely on general AI knowledge. So this is basically the document that I uploaded in here, which is about research. So from here, we're going to use this in simply as a knowledge base. And in here, I'm going to ask AI, what is research? So basically, after this, it will only base the information on the uploaded documents or the knowledge base, which is this document. So basically, this kind of feature improves knowledge sharing, reduces information silos, and enables more informed decision making across the organization. Now, aside from that, under homepage, you could also explore templates by clicking this one, and it will show you a variety of templates to navigate. We have here for sales, marketing, for operations, and many more. And under others, in here, it will show you the translation that you can translate one language to another using this kind of prompt or templates. From here, all you need to do is simply choose the content and also the desired languages you want to translate. And you can translate content into multiple languages, as you can see in here. And after that, or choosing the content in here, you can click Run Workflow to start using this AI templates, in which this kind of features provide a pre-built AI agent workflow and automation setups that users can quickly deploy and customize for their specific business needs. And instead of creating workflow from scratch, users can choose from a library of templates designed for common use of cases such as content creation, customer support, sales outreach, lead qualification, and many more. So overall, using this Cassidy AI is important because it helps organizations automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflow, and improve overall productivity through artificial intelligence. And overall, that is just how you can use Cassidy AI. Thank you.